Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my space. Welcome to the new week in the month of April. I actually want to help my TTC mamas all over the world, those that are trying for teen boy, those that are trying for teen girls. Follow my series. I want to be making series of video according to your cycle length. If you are trying for a baby boy, if you are trying for a baby girl, I want to make series of video that will be able to help you achieve your desired gender. So I actually want to start this teaching from cycle length of 26 20. For those that have 26 day cycle length, you're lucky. This is the first video I'm making according to your cycle length. If you're for teen boy, I'm going to make a video for teen boy. I'm going to make a video for teen girl, those that are looking for a baby boy, those that are searching for a baby girl. So but this one is for a baby boy. If you have a 26-day cycle length, my TTT mamas, and you want a baby boy, your ovulation day is going to be on day 12. Starting from the day your period started, you start counting 1, 2 till day 12. Day 12 is your ovulation day, because if you subtract 14 from your 26-day cycle length, you're going to be getting 12. So 12 is your peak day of ovulation, is your peak. So on that 12, if you want to have intercourse, I want you to have intercourse on day 12. If you're actually trying for a baby boy, have intercourse on day 12. Don't miss it. You can start from day 11 midnight and enter day 12, but don't miss the 12 intercourse for anything if you're trying for a baby boy. I don't want you to have intercourse 3 days or 4 days before the ovulation. No, if you do, you're going to miss it. Very, very important. Have intercourse. Don't have intercourse 4 days before your ovulation, 3 days, 5 days before your ovulation. Wait till the peak day if you want a baby boy. If you want a baby boy, how do you monitor this? How do you know that your peak is approaching? You have to know your fertile window. That is why you have to know your fertile window and start calculating according to your fertile window. I've made series of videos about fertile window, how to know your fertile window. If you've been following me, if you've not been following me, just click my page and search for all my videos in Facebook, in YouTube, and you're going to be seeing series of video I've made according to your cycle length and your fertile window. So if you already know your fertile, if you don't know, you can also comment here. Can you help me? I will just slide to your DM and calculate your fertile window for you. Know your fertile window, the particular time to have intercourse, to achieve your baby gender, either a boy or a girl. Or if you don't want any gender, a particular gender, you just want to get pregnant, perfect. All babies are baby, but some person want a particular gender, they want to make it equal. Some say it doesn't have to be only girl, I want a boy. It doesn't have to be only boy, I want a girl. So please follow my series so that you get your desired gender selection. Remember, this method I'm talking about and this tracking and all that is not 100% guarantee, but many have testified that it has helped them. Me, for example, I've actually tracked a particular gender, and by God being by my side, I was able to get that particular gender. So you too, you can track it, follow the teaching series and get your desired gender, either a boy or a girl. So if you found this video helpful, please follow my page, subscribe, like in Facebook, follow my page for more of your TTT education. Thank you so much. Bye bye, and I love you. I'll see you in my next series of video. If you're on TTC journey, don't miss these teachings. Bye bye.